Hi and welcome to this video where we're going to look at how to use the truncate statement, which is slightly different to the delete statement. So this video is part of a series of videos where we are going to learn all the basics of SQL in SQL Server, and you can find all of those by subscribing, and then you can look at the playlist. In addition, I've got all the videos listed on my website, which is www.padsresearch.co.uk, and that stands for Physics, Aviation and Data Science. And the truncate statement is slightly different from the delete statement, where a delete statement will enable us to delete specific records or indeed all the records from a table. But a truncate statement basically disassociates all the data. So it just basically completely disconnects all the data set to the actual physical table itself. So rather than going through one row at a time and going, okay, can I delete that? Can I delete that? Does it meet the condition? It will literally just wipe the whole lot in one go. So if you do want to remove all the data from a table, it's often faster to do that than run a delete statement. So let's look at the syntax for it. So we need to say truncate. So let's type truncate. And then we need to specify what we want to truncate. So we're going to truncate a table. And then we need to specify the name of the table that we want to truncate. So we'll just say table name. So whatever your table name is, that will get truncated. Now, there is no filters, no where clauses or anything like that. It will simply just delete all of the data. So we need to be very careful and make sure we absolutely definitely want to delete or truncate that data. And the only way we can really get it back is to restore the database. So be careful before you run this command. So this is the last video in our series of Introduction to Basic SQL Coding. I hope you've enjoyed all the videos. If you would like to go further and learn more advanced topics, then I have my complete course in SQL with SQL Server. You can find a link to that at the end of this video. And there we'll cover many more topics. We'll go into more detail in some of the areas we looked at in this series more slowly. And we'll go into things such as indexes and store procedures and functions. And we'll spend a bit of time and do a project to look at all of those different areas. So if you are interested in learning more about SQL, then please do have a look at that.